Today I'm going to do a tutorial on how you can apply for a mobile number in mainland China in Singapore before you set foot in China. Hey, what's up guys, welcome to Alan Gadgets. If you have a reason or need to register for a mobile number in China, for my situation I wanted to register my drone in China before setting foot in China because I like to get things done before even leaving Singapore so that I can fly the first day on touchdown. You will need to have a mobile number registered in China, which is usually only possible if you get a SIM card upon reaching China. For this solution that I have for you today, it can only be done in Singapore. This solution is only available in Singapore. I'm sure other telco from other countries are able to provide you with a similar solution on how you can get a mobile number in China while you are outside of China. Again, this solution is only available to the residents of Singapore. Okay, quick pause. If you're enjoying this breakdown and it's helping you out, go ahead and smash the like button. It really supports the channel. And if you want to see more drones, camera and gadget content just like this, make sure you hit subscribe and ring the bell so you never miss a new upload. I also post extra clips, behind the scenes shots and some extra updates on Instagram, so do make sure you follow me there as well. Alright, let's jump right back in. Just take note that the drawback of this solution is that you have to wait 1 month before getting your China mobile number. So if you have an upcoming trip and you would like to make use of this solution, please plan ahead and do it 1 month before, at least 1 month before your trip, so that you can get hold of the number. The reason being is that you need to get a local number, Singapore number first, and you type the China mobile number to your Singapore number. And for that to happen, you need to own the Singapore number for at least 1 month before you can apply for a China number to be tagged with your account. So first of all, open your browser, go to cmlink.com/sg, go to plans with choice of SIM or eSIM. To get the China number, you would make use of one card multi-number under the services and add-ons. Click on the Get SIM on top right to sign up for one. Plan I gotten is the 4G eSIM at $10.90 per month. Turn on the free international roaming. Block all overseas calls ID as I only want to receive SMS. Pick a number or port over existing number. After getting the confirmation email, scan the QR code to set up your eSIM on your phone, or wait for the SIM card to be delivered if you opt for the physical SIM. Proceed to log in with the number. Scroll down to apply for a China number under the one card multi-number. You should see the apply now button similar to the Hong Kong number on the right. And in this case, since I already have applied for one number, this button is no longer available to me. So up to this stage, all you need to do is wait for the confirmation and the issue of a China number. And after everything, you'll be able to receive call or SMS direct to that mobile number even when you are outside Singapore. So that's all for the tutorial today. If you find it helpful or beneficial in any way, do click on the like button and share. And if you're interested in content regarding drones, cameras and gadgets, do subscribe to my channel, click on the bell button, and I'll see you again in the next one. Bye!